Back at you again. Checking out the 67 on the rotisserie. Got to do a lot of cleaning, but you can see all the bad spots. Once they sandblasted to show everything. Shows it all. All right, there's the inside. Like I said, when you sandblast, you can see everything. You can see all of the imperfections. In the trunk. And the inside. See, I got this piece new. I got the quarter panel too.
You go to Classic Industry?
Yeah. Classic Industry and Orange and Truck. Car and Truck Shop in Orange.